Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Royal Addons in Elementor. This is a fantastic plugin that extends Elementor's capabilities by adding a whole suite of advanced widgets and features, allowing you to create more dynamic and professional-looking pages without needing any coding knowledge. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to access your WordPress website's admin dashboard, open your web browser, and navigate to your site's login page, which is typically found by adding /wp-admin to the end of your domain name. Once you're there, enter your username and password to log in. This will bring you to the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your WordPress site. Now that you're logged into the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar where you'll find all the main navigation options. Locate and hover over the option labeled Plugins. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear with several choices. From this submenu, click on Add Plugin. This is where WordPress allows you to browse, search, and install new plugins to extend your website's functionality. You'll now be taken to the Add Plugins page, which displays featured and popular plugins. However, we're looking for something specific. At the top right of this page, you'll see a search field. Click into this field and type Royal Addons. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering and displaying relevant results. You should see the Royal Addons plugin appear in the search results almost immediately. Once you've located Royal Addons in the search results, you'll notice an Install Now button right next to it. Go ahead and click this button. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the plugin automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds depending on your internet connection and server speed. You'll see a brief loading animation while the installation is in progress. After the installation completes, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. This is an important step because simply installing a plugin doesn't make it functional on your site. You need to activate it to enable all its features. Click on the Activate button, and WordPress will activate Royal Addons, making all its widgets and features immediately available within your Elementor editor. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated Royal Addons for Elementor. You can now open any page in Elementor and access the new widgets and features that Royal Addons provides. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.